I was a little girl, you brought a fight to my world. I've been shy, I've been silent for too long. You bring me the sunlight. You bring me the sunlight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you how I perform Ventosa.
And I'm the experiment. I'm the subject of the experiment.
I am not I'm not an expert, but I've watched a lot of videos and we've done it twice before.
And I'm the lab rat.
Here are what you need to perform Ventosa. First, you need cotton balls, alcohol, match, coins, and glasses. You'll have to put a few drops of alcohol first to the cotton balls. The suction and negative pressure provided by Ventosa can loosen muscles, encourage blood flow, and sedate the nervous system, which makes it an excellent treatment for high blood pressure. Ventosa relieves back and neck pain, stiff muscles, anxiety, fatigue, migraines, rheumatism, and even cellulite. In removing the glasses, you will just have to press the skin alongside it to allow air to leak in and release the pressure. Do not pull the glasses because it's going to be very painful. Guys, hubby is done with his Ventosa. So,
I survived.
How was it? But you know, we've done this.
This is not the first time we've done this.
We've done this is that was our third time that was my third time to perform Ventosa. So how do you like it?
It's okay. It's scary when you light the cotton. Because I'm scared it will roll off.
No, we don't have
it will burn
a lighter. I just use a match.
So she was using a match and yeah.
He was really complaining like, oh my god, you'll burn me. But it was successful and would you like to try it again?
Yeah, next time. But
yeah, next time.
You have to do something that...
That's it guys, this is our vlog for today. I hope if ever you enjoyed watching this video, please click on like. If you haven't subscribed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I'll upload videos.
Yeah. And you
yeah.
can do it at home too.
Yeah, you can also try it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Toodles! Bye!
Bye, Toto.